Alrighty, so here is my test demo for Oddessy. Just going to show you really quick some of the functionality that I've built out. Um, yeah, so here's the AI demo. It says welcome player number one, and this is kind of like a Ready Player One reference where you get your player number when you kind of sign in. You would create your character here, and then yeah, you have your WASD to move. Right now the sprite is beautifully animated. Space to jump. It's like, oh wow, where am I? Learning about this virtual world. Generate world. You click on it. Whoosh, sound effect. Ideally, and we'll put it in full HD. And then I say, so what's my origin story, or where do you want to go? And I'm like, this is just one way you could do it, but like I want to explore a desert that I have always called home. You generate it, and what that does is it actually sends it to a server, which I have here. You can see I want to explore a desert that I have always called home, so it gets the prompt, and then you click continue, and it generates a camel. The sand shift, we should be careful. And that looks like it was just Unity doing it by itself, but actually this JavaScript server is actually hooked up to, it's a local host, so it's a local IP, but again, it actually works. It instantiates everything on its own, so that gives you a camel, the chat, the noise, etc., etc. And so again, that's all during runtime, and that's Unity talking to a server that is instantiating objects based off of a prompt, which is pretty interesting. And then I have the new homeworld button, and this just shows you book 1, chapter 1, event 1. So that's the beginning of your narrative. I'm still building out the full UI and functionality, but this is essentially your base save state for how you build your world. You click on this here. You have right now only 2 foundations, and they're super basic. You have your forest start, your desert start. So how do you want your world to look? The biome of what you're building. You click select this template. Oh, okay, we have a little bit of a issue there. That's I'll just 1 second. I just added that background in just now, so we'll hide the background. But regardless, it still works. And I can show you, I can add more tiles to the overworld, and those are all 1 by 1 chunks. And then if I click tab, or if I scroll in, I get my creator toolkit. And so then from here, I have my desert, and I have an NPC editor, an item editor, and these are actually functional. They are currently somewhat dysfunctional, and you can see it's 6:45, and I'm uploading this video to send this to you before 7. But yeah, usually these actually do instantiate, and you can edit NPCs and build out the grid layout. But that's my video for my prototype, and so yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.